Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode with the ratio 4:3, so this is how it looks like as you can see in the camera preview. And to change it we have to go to more advanced options, so let's tap on this button in the left corner now. And it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on these two buttons at the bottom. The first one is the full vision, so by tapping on this we get quick access to the full screen ratio of this camera. And when I go back to the camera preview, as you can see, the ratio has changed to the full. This is how it looks like. And by tapping on the second button we get access to more advanced settings of the photo size, and here as you can see we have 4 ratios connected with the quality and with the size. So we have 4:3 ratio connected with 12 megapixels or 6 and 1 megapixels. So let's go back to it. As you can see, this is how to change this. The next one here is 16:9 with 9 and 2 megapixels or 4 and 6 megapixels. And this is how it looks like, so this is a little bit longer than the 4:3 ratio. And also here we have the full vision, which you saw, with 7 and 5 megapixels or 3 and 7, and 1 and 1 with 9 and 7 megapixels or 3 and 4 megapixels. So let me pick this now. And this is the square one, as you can see. And of course we can easily go back to the original one, 4:3 with 12 megapixels, which is the best possible quality of this camera. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel and leave the thumbs up.